welcome back guys to Spoiler channels here. Today in this video I'm gonna show you a tutorial how to log in to Terabox on iPhone. But before it, I have you guys click subscribe and the bells button to support this channel. And so now without any further ado, let's get started to the video. Well guys, first thing first that you have to do, of course here you just have to download it first for the Terabox applications, and after, if you want to log in, you just have to tap on the applications, and now you can log in with your Apple ID or with your Google account. Here I'm gonna log in with my Google account. I'm gonna tap on it like this. Now tap on this continue. And here in this page, you can choose the Google account that you want to use as your Terabox account. Here I have many Google accounts. So for example, I'm going to choose this Google account, the last Google account. I'm going to tap on it. And now just enter your Google account password. If it is done, just tap on this button, the blue button, which is continue. And yeah, now we already log into our Terabox with our Google account here guys. Here I'm gonna tap on continue again here at the bottom. Now we have to wait for a second. Now in this backup settings, I'm gonna tap on done. And after, we can also activate for the Terabox access to our gallery. I'm gonna tap on this full access. And yeah, we can upgrade our account to the premium here guys. And also here at the bottom, you can use the 3 days free trial. I'm gonna tap on it like this. Now tap on subscribe. So after the 3 days, we have to payment for the plan first. Here I'm gonna enter it for my password at Apple account. After, tap on sign in. If you don't want to update it to the premium, you just have to tap on this skip here guys. Here I'm gonna tap on OK. So yeah, now we already can use for the Terabox applications on this iPhone here guys. And yeah, I think it's enough from me. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to leave your like and comments below, and I'll see you soon on the next one. Goodbye.